Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is my baby's 13th birthday. Usually I buy cakes from the store, but today I'm going to make this Double Foods chocolate cake. It looks so good. I can bake stuff out of a box, but from scratch, I don't know. I'm not too good at that. That's why usually I buy them. But today I opted this because I want to hide some money in his birthday cake. So guys, let's make a cake. Let's hide some cash up in here. And don't worry, it is going to be safe. You will see. So let's get started. You guys are going to probably see some Christmas decor because it's only January 4th and I keep my stuff up to like the 6th. And you might hear the TV because I have some peeps over and it's loud. But I'm just going to do everything in this mixer. Okay, so while the cakes are cooking, this would be a great time to do this. I picked this Cash Dash cake surprise up at Walmart. It was $5. So basically it just has directions on the back, but you can choose up to 50 bills. So I got 50 ones to put in the cake. It came with this sleeve, and this is where you put the bills. And you, like I said, you can put up to 50 bills, obviously whatever denomination you want. So what I'm going to do, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to load this with my cash. And so I'm going to do that real quick. Alright, I got all the money in, but for whatever reason it only held $40, even though it says it holds up to 50 bills. So I'll just add this in his card. But what it tells you to do is it tells you to just roll the money up. You can just start rolling like this. And you want to make sure that you have the bigger pull tab right here, so they can pull. They have it starts with there's one on each side, but this one was a little bit longer. Okay, I'm almost done, but this roll is getting really big. So what I keep doing is I'm kind of pulling it as I'm wrapping it. That way they'll all fit in that little container. Alright, so you just pull this thing off. You tighten this, your ball of money, and then you place it in your container. And then you go ahead and put it through here, like so, your Cash Dash. And then once you put it through there, you open up this clamp, and then you clamp it right down through here. I guess this just makes it a little bit more sturdier. You clamp it down like this, and then you push it into the Cash Dash like so. And then they just pull this out. You just tell them, what is that? And then, you know, whatever. This is a cake cutter. You use this to cut the perfect hole for this to fit into, which we are going to do that right now. These have cooled. We're going to take them out, put them on some parchment paper. Actually, I wish I had a cake stand, but I don't. Not one that I could use anyways. Go ahead and put some frosting in between.
Yeah.
Okay, what I should have done is put it on a plate, but I didn't. So, here we go. Oh, it actually worked. Okay. Before we take it out of the pan, we're going to use this cake cutter that it came with. This. Place it in the center or wherever you want it, because this piece needs to come out. Like so. We're gonna put it on here. Case had a big cake. So this is a big cake. But we're gonna put this and set it right in there. Kind of press it down a little bit. And we'll frost the top. And you just put the frosting right over the box. And I'm gonna leave this up. My cake's trying to tear on me, but we're not gonna let it tear. So I'm just gonna continue frosting all this real quick and I'll be right back. Alright, so it looks okay. Lord knows I will not ever be a professional baker because it is kind of lopsided, but I want this barely showing. We're gonna put his candles on. And then I'm going to ask him if he doesn't see it to pull that. And I'm having to kind of go at an angle because of that box.
Okay, hold on. Move him or take him? Go.
This cake looks horrible, actually. But it's okay. Oh my gosh. This cake is all lopsided. Oh man. Here's a top view. I really should have started over here. Let me try to move it a little bit over. Because that does look horrible. There we go. That looks a little better. Not by much, but a little bit. Gosh. Alright. Let me light these and grab him. Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish.
A good one.
Don't tell anyone.
Yep, don't tell
Put
anyone.
his face in the pie.
Missed his head and hit his...
Alright. Okay, hold on. Turn on the lights. Let me, really fast, get your candles out.
Oh my god.
Here, guys. You want some cake tonight? Alright.
I'm full.
What is that?
Oh, what's in there?
Well, pull it out.
Okay.
Stand up and do it. Stand up and pull that out, Joey.
What the heck?
What is that? Pull that out.
You can look at it.
Pull that out. What the heck?
Oh! Dude, whoa! Now that is cool.
Oh, babe, hold it. Help it. Hold him up because it's all chocolatey. What the heck? You have a cake full of money. How, whoa. Okay, hold on. All right.
No, that is...
Oh, that's awesome.
Okay, hold on. Oh, there's a dollar bill on the cake.
Oh, dang.
I just look at this.
Joey, it's still going.
Oh, Joey, pull it.
Oh.
Pull this.
Here, Joey, no, take this side. Look, Joey.
My gosh.
That is so
Oh,
cool.
wow.
Wow, that's pretty
No, pick it up so it doesn't get chocolate on my chair. All right,
Dude,
so
that's so cool.
that is pretty neat, right?
Yeah.
Is that
That
cool?
is 51s in there.
I'm like, what is that?
Joey,
Yeah.
You have
You can buy obsidians. You can buy the
I
obsidian.
could?
All right, $40. I said 50. It was 40 because it did only hold 40. Here you go, honey.
Yeah.
Now, was that fun?
That was fun.
You like that?
Yes.
Okay, so it was a hit. The kids liked it, but it did make a very big mess. I'm going to be cutting the piece of cake off that the dollar bill landed on. So, but this is just going to go in the trash, and all that plastic already went in all the trash. So that was fun. Guys, thank you for watching. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.